Si Vice President Sara Duterte wala raw decorum. Sobrang angas sa mga congressman sa budget hearing.
House of Representatives lines like what you just said, like pusit. Bakit mo ako kinu-crucify for saying a fact that somebody is convicted of child abuse sitting in the chair? Pusit? And then I cannot fire her, the presiding chair. So bakit? Yes, bakit napaka one-sided? A snide comment. You will allow me a snide comment as well. So my question is, Ma'am, can you confirm? Yes. Yeah, okay. Makikinig ka sa kanya kanina? Walang rules dito.
Kailangan ito na mabusisi at kailangan ito maipaliwanag ng OVP. Kaya hindi tayo pwedeng questionin ng mga rules, questionin ng mga topic, etc. Dahil related din naman talaga ito sa budget, Madam Chair.
I request that the chairperson of the Finance Committee preside over this hearing.
Madam Vice President, you are not allowed to do that.
Malamang hindi maibigay ang 2 billion na hinihingi niyang budget sa kanyang opisina.